just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a perfect day.
Perfect day. CocoCay, it's CocoCay day. CocoCay, we're at CocoCay, and it's gonna be a day. It's gonna be perfect at CocoCay. Yay, yay, yeah.
Ahoy, mates!
Hello, happy travelers!
Welcome back on board Radiance of the Seas, day number 3. But wait, we're not on board. We're at
CocoCay!
That's right, a perfect day at CocoCay. Day number 3 begins right now.
Yeah!
Always good to be back. Perfect day at CocoCay. And if you want to know all about Perfect Day at CocoCay, we recently did a new and full and complete tour of this island. So be sure to check that out on our channel. But what are we getting into today? Dun, 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 dun.
I'm so excited! It's been so long since we've gone to Thrill Waterpark, and I'm ready for some thrills today.
Well, I'm ready for thrills too, but first, let's get some fills.
Grub time.
On the way to the grub, we're passing through Captain Jack's, and there's pirates that are not singing sea shanties, but instead show tunes. I can't blame them. Grease is contagious.
It's electrifying.
Now, Thrill Island does have a snack shack, which I'm sure we'll get some snackies there at some point later. But for an actual full-on lunch, we're gonna go over to Skipper's Grill because it's our fave. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna have tacos in my tummy. Which is especially exciting because there's not a local fresh on board Radiance of the Seas. So I've been really craving me some tacos. All right, we are fully nourished. Bellies are full. So naturally, the next step of things to do is to go down a lot of swirly, twirly, fast water slides, right? Yay, 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 let's get our thrill on. Ooh, we will. Okay.
Interesting that we didn't tap to like scan in. We had to scan the actual barcode, which follows suit with Radiance. When we're on board, there is no tap points. Everything is this barcode or like for the door putting it in.
Oh!
Same here. So normally on other ships, yeah, like when I came last time, I just tapped. I think I had my WOW band. I just tapped and went in. But this one you had to scan, put it under and scan the barcode.
So based on how old your ship means like how like technological or not your SeaPass card is? Even our SeaPass cards are old and seasoned.
Now, once again, I just completed a full and complete tour of Perfect Day at CocoCay, including inside here at Thrill Waterpark, where I showed all the slides, went over all of them, gave the height, weight restrictions, and all of that stuff. So if you want to see that in full, in detail, be sure to check out that tour video. Oh, so something interesting to note as we begin our slide process. They are now weighing sliders on the scale here at the bottom of the tower to make sure you comply with the weight limits. They also have a height stick indicator here as well. Of course, we're excited for our tried and true favorites, but there's also a new water slide here at Thrill Waterpark over there at Splash Summit. We're going to be checking that out in just a little bit. Very excited for that one.
I will forever be perplexed by this, but on the cruise ships, Royal Caribbean like really does not want you filming on slides unless you have special permission, whether it's with something with a strap on a stick and a whatever. They have a problem with it. But at Thrill Waterpark, no problem ever. I just asked to confirm and no problem filming at all.
And that includes selfie stick style, which isn't always allowed. I'm not really sure what the reasoning is behind it, but I'm very glad that we can take you on some slides today, so let's go have some fun. right, we defeated all the slides at Daredevil Tower, except for Dueling Demons. We don't do the trap doors.
Now we've made our way to the second half of Thrill Waterpark, Splash Summit.
And this is where things get exciting, because you see that green slide right there that twists and turns around and ends right there? That is the new slide called Tailspin.
And we're really excited to try it because not only have we never done it before, it's a new slide at Thrill Waterpark, which we've done a million times, but we've never done that slide, but also no one told us about this slide. We didn't get any newsletters, no announcements or anything like that. So we're excited to try this new one out. But we're gonna save the new fellow for last.
We're gonna start with Splash Speedway, Slingshot, and Twister.
We're being hunted. Clever girl. Oh man, you two are beautiful. Look at that bright green. Gorgeous. So I mentioned the new slide over here at Splash Summit, the Tailspin, this green one. And there's also a new setup to this entire tower. As you approach now, you'll see it's kind of split off, telling you if you're doing a mat racer slide, you're gonna stay to the right. If you're doing one of the tube slides, you'll stay to the left. And here's where the split off takes place. So now they have created a new stairwell specifically for the Splash Speedway, the 4 mat racer slides there, because they have their own platform that's lower than the rest. So this stairwell is specifically for those now. Whereas the old stairwell now serves all 3 of the tube slides, the Twister, which you can do as a single or a double, and then the Slingshot and the new Tailspin, which are the group tube slides. Now something important to point out, if you're using a mat for the mat racer Splash Speedway, or you're using the single or double tubes for the Twister, you need to grab those at the exit part of the slides and bring them around with you. If you're using one of the big tubes, for like the party tubes, the group tubes for either Slingshot or the new Tailspin, those will be provided for you at the top, so you do not need to carry those. And just like we saw at Daredevil's Tower, they do have scales and height indicators here at the base for each stairwell. And again, I covered all the height and weight requirements in the full tour video, but since the Tailspin is new, I'll go ahead and show it here. Your maximum combined weight 550 pounds, but maximum individual weight per rider is 300, and you must be at least 48 inches to ride alone, or 42 inches with a life jacket and supervising adult companion. Only 2 to 4 riders per rep, so you cannot go solo and you cannot have more than 4.
All right, we have now done all the slides except for Dueling Demons. But other than that,
we're completely updated on Thrill Waterpark. Now, what is your favorite ride now?
I would say my favorite, I really like the Serpent over at Daredevil's Tower because it usually doesn't have a line. It's really quick. It's that fun dip and then you're done.
That's your overall favorite though?
That's my favorite over there.
Okay.
Over here at Splash, I would say probably the Slingshot, but I do like the new Tailspin a lot.
That was really good. I like that there was like open airness to it, and it had like different kind of lights that looked like light up Micanites, and that was really fun. I think my favorite is still Slingshot too, just because you get the big whoosh at the end. It's like such a good payoff. And just for reference, because Matt filmed the ship tour this morning and then we ate before we did the slides, so we didn't start sliding until like 1 o'clock today.
Yes,
and then right now we just got done, it's 3 o'clock, and like we have to film and stuff like that. So just to kind of give you an idea of how long it would take to do all the slides. But if you really want to zoom through some slides, I suggest hitting the slides in this last hour and a half until you have to get on board at 4:30, because there is like hardly anybody here anymore. I'd be remiss if we left CocoCay without me showing you the sandcastle art. I think it's the same as when we were on Icon of the Seas, but it's still a beauty nonetheless. It has my favorite sea creature, the sea turtle. Okay, so this is really funny, and like don't judge me for being a dork, but I like recently started playing Pokemon Go again. Like I stopped playing it for a while and I just started playing it again because why not? And I was curious before we left, like, oh, I wonder if there's like any Pokestop or like any Pokemon on Perfect Day at CocoCay. And there is. Like, what in the world? I wasn't expecting that. I was like expecting like, I don't know, it just come up like blank in the ocean, but no. Pokemon exist at Perfect Day at CocoCay, which makes it even better now.
It's a Poke Day at CocoCay.
Poke Day, Poke Day, Poke Day at CocoCay. Squirtle's the best, oh yeah, oh yeah. I didn't show you this earlier, but Radiance today was parked next to Wonder of the Seas. Oh, we love you. It's hard to tell from this angle, but wow, there is a size comparison. And I see the bubbles, so that means it's about to leave. Bye, Wonder. Another day at Perfect Day at CocoCay is in the books. I tell you, if there's any day of your itinerary that'll go really, really fast, it's always Perfect Day at CocoCay day, because it really is just the best. Even though I'm always wishing for more time, I'm happy with what we got. And until next time, bye-bye, Perfect Day at CocoCay. We love you.
Well, another perfect day in the books. And we will be back tomorrow on board Radiance of the Seas for a day of sea. Day at sea, not of sea. Or is it of sea? I don't know. Sign this.
Here's a bunny.
Oh. So we'll see you back then. If you want to book your own Royal Caribbean cruise, hit us up via the travel agent information in the description of this video. It's completely free to use, so you should do it. Okay, we're going to sign off for tonight. We'll see you back tomorrow. But until then,
happy travels. Perfect day at Bunny Cay. That's not the words, but he hippity hoppity hop hop hop.